Good morning, guys. Welcome to my farm. This is my farm. So I said let me do a short video to show you my crops. These ones are okra. These are okra. These ones are okra. This is a grass. I have to remove it there. Yes, I have a very large farm. As you can see it. So let me show you guys. These are okra. These are okra. These ones are yam. As you can see, this one started growing. This one is on the stick already. So this one is corn. I have so many things on this plate. This one is banana or plantain. My cassava. And this one is a beautiful water leaf. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful water leaf. This one is corn, still growing. This one is yam. So let me just show you guys everywhere. See it. Good morning. Yes, this is the real place. These are corn. These are corn. This one is the corn depot. See it. This side also is okra. There is no rain. Rain refused to fall here. That's why you see the leaves are somehow red. No water to grow. So we just have to water them. No water. No rain. This is bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. And this one is green leaf. Bitter leaf also. These are green leaves. See them small. They are coming up. Small. This one is scent leaf. So this is my farm. This is my farm. Thank you, guys. See you guys in my next upload. Bye. Love you. This is Onos TV, where we bring to you lifestyles and everything. Everything. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.